Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to generate longer AI videos on Kling AI. So let's get started with the video. So what you can do is basically you can go to the video section or you can click on text to video. Here you can select any of the videos which you want to generate. For example, I want to generate this one. And after this, you need to click on recreate that you will see in green button. It will take you to this page. So basically here you can write your prompt, you can change it as well, you can add the negative prompt as well. At the lower side you will see a drop-up menu. So in order to generate longer video or increase the duration, you need to click on that, and here you will get an option of duration. You just need to increase the duration from 5 seconds to 10 seconds, and post that you can click on generate and generate the video. So this is how you can generate longer AI videos duration. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.